Hey everyone, let's jump right in. If you're a focused learner looking to jumpstart your programming journey, you are absolutely in the right place. Today, we're breaking down a really fantastic step-by-step explainer based directly on a guide from PD Coding Hub. We're going to completely demystify how to install Java on your Windows system. Because, just like the coffee it's named after, you've got to get it brewing properly before you can actually get to work.
Okay, let's dive into this setup quest. Here's our roadmap. 1. Starting your Java journey. 2. Navigating to the JDK. 3. Running the installer. 4. Setting environment variables. And 5. Verifying your setup.
Section 1. Starting your Java journey.
Now, the source material from PD Coding Hub explicitly designed this workflow to be perfect for absolute beginners. Seriously, if you've never written a single line of code before, do not sweat it. This explainer is tailored specifically to help you confidently get past that very first hurdle, the initial setup, so you can actually start coding.
Section 2. Navigating to the JDK.
All right, open your browser. Now, picturing that URL screen, we'll design our exact path forward by typing this exact prompt right into your search bar, Java JDK download. Hitting enter on this specific search term is going to point you directly to the official website you need.
And this brilliantly illustrates our path once the official page actually loads. It's a simple sequence. First, just scroll down the page. Second, find and select the latest version of the JDK. And finally, choose your operating system, which for us today is Windows.
Once you've made those selections, there's just a tiny bit of housekeeping left. You've got to accept the license agreement. The second you do that and hit download, your Java installer file will officially start making its way to your machine.
Section 3. Running the installer.
Okay, so once that download is completely finished, go ahead and open up the file. This is going to pop up the Java installation wizard. And let me tell you, this part is incredibly fast. The steps are literally just click next again, and then click install. That is it. It's a beautifully straightforward process. Now, you literally just wait for a few seconds while Java formally installs itself onto your system. Once that progress bar fills up, hit close. Boom, the easy clicking part is completely done.
Section 4. Setting environment variables.
Okay, take a breath. I kind of like to call this part the mini-boss of the setup process. It requires a little bit of focus, but it's really just about giving Windows the map to find your new Java tools. Go straight to your Windows search bar and type Environment Variables. You'll see an option pop up that says Edit the System Environment Variables. Click that, then click the button labeled Environment Variables. This opens up the exact settings menu we need to configure our setup.
We're going to be looking under the System Variables section here. First, click on New to create a variable. For the variable name, type exactly this, Java_home, all in capital letters. Then, for the variable value, you're just going to paste the exact file path where your JDK was just installed.
So, the crucial point is right here on this next step. We actually aren't quite done in this menu. Scroll through those system variables and find the one specifically called Path. Got it? Okay, click Edit, then click New. Right here is where you add the path to the bin folder that's located inside your JDK directory. Once that's pasted in, make absolutely sure you click OK and save all your settings. And just like that, you have officially defeated the mini-boss.
Section 5. Verifying your setup.
Time for the victory lap. To verify everything, you need to open your command prompt. Just search for command prompt in Windows and open up that classic black terminal window. Inside that terminal window, type this exact command. Java --version. Hit enter. If everything is wired up correctly, you'll see your freshly installed Java version printed right back at you. But wait, we aren't stopping at just one check. Right after that, type our second command, Java --version, and press enter again.
Comparing these side by side, you can see they're a little distinct. Command 1 is Java -version, and Command 2 is Java C-version. The PD Coding Hub guide makes this super clear. Both of these commands absolutely must work and return version numbers for your installation to be considered a total success. And if they do both work, well, congratulations. Just as the source material celebrates, Java is now successfully installed on your Windows system. You literally did it. You've navigated the downloads, conquered the installer, and perfectly mapped out your system's environment variables. Your Windows system is now fully primed and ready for action. And the PD Coding Hub guide notes that up next is diving right into Java basics for beginners. So, I'll leave you with this thought. Now that you have the tools installed and all this power right at your fingertips, what are you going to build first? Keep that curiosity alive, and we'll see you next time.